Mr. Hossain and Year 10s, we meet again.
Hello! Hello, Mrs. Stanescu in Year 10. What up? What up?
That was very out of context, sir.
I do apologise.
Particularly.
Hello, hello.
Hi, guys. So, by request from my wonderful Year 10s, we are doing some quadratic sequences exam questions. So we are going to see if we can do 2 clips. This one, in which I do my way.
Boo!
As Calvin Harris would say. And another one.
It was Frank Sinatra.
What? Do you know the song? No, Calvin
and I
Harris.
did it my...
Yes, but these children are born like 1990. Well, no, hang on, 2000s. They're born in the 2000s.
They're gonna log off by now. Get back. So let's do your way.
We might clip this out. Okay, so let's read the questions, sir.
Here are the first 5 terms of a sequence. We've got 4, 11, 22, 37, 56. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence.
Right, so I suppose my method and your method start the same, right? In that we work out the first difference.
Yep.
So we...
And this one doesn't say it's quadratic, does it? So
no,
at this moment in time, we don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that one is 7, and that one is 11.
And now we know.
Now we do know, yes.
Kind of.
Shall I risk to say that the next one is 15?
Looks good.
Okay. So now that I know that the first difference is not the same, I can work out the second difference. So between 7 and 11 there's 4, and then 4 again. So the second difference is definitely 4. Once you work out the second difference, which is the same, you divide that by 2. Sorry, that was not meant to be equal.
So this is your way?
Yes.
Yeah. And I think by this stage, whenever I've looked, you get 1 mark for stating the second difference, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, thank you. Half that, so we get 2. And then whatever you get here, you stick an n squared to it.
Cool.
So now what you want to do is generate yourself a sequence of 2n squares. So what that means, you are taking the square numbers and you're doubling them.
Okay.
So, sir, what's the first square number?
1.
Well done.
Oof. Put me on the spot there.
What's the second? Sorry, because we haven't finished with this one. We have to double it.
Okay.
So that's the first square number. We have to double it. So that's 2.
So 2.
What's the second square number?
So we got 4. So we double that. That's 8.
That's
okay.
8.
So I'm learning this way as well. Okay.
Yeah. Great.
So then 3 squared is 9. Double that is 18.
You are on your times table, sir.
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Okay. Let's see. I don't think we need any more.
Okay.
So now you want to work out your sequence. Take away your 2n squares. And that's going to give you another sequence. I'm just going to take this bit out the way. Hopefully you have time to copy it down. If not, rewind us. We're just going to go get a cup of coffees or something like that. Okay, so now we subtract. So we do sequence, take away our 2n squares. So the first one's going to be 2. The next one's going to be 3. The next one's going to be 4.
Okay.
So now, as you can see, the difference is the same. So remember, we still have our 2n squared here.
Okay.
All right, so now I just work out the nth term for the sequence. So this sequence goes up in ones.
Yep.
So that's going to be
1n. Yep.
Or 1n. Yep. I'm getting overexcited with the squares. Okay, so it's just 1n.
Yep.
And then, obviously, if to the right we're going plus 1. If we're going left, we want to take away 1.
Okay.
So if we take away 1, we're going to get 1, positive 1, right? We're still on the positive side of the number line. We stick that on there. All you have to do now is just bring these things together. So the final answer for the nth term of the sequence is 2n squared plus n plus 1.
Okay.
Ta-da!
I've never done it like that, but that seems alright. That seems alright. That seems alright.
Yes.
Nicely done.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes.
All right.
So do I get to keep my job?
We'll see. let's give it a bit longer.
On that cheery note, guys, we shall see you shortly. Bye.
Bye.